Hi everyone, in this tutorial we will be learning how to clear these acne spots on your face. These are not looking very much bad because the face get so much attraction, but we still need to do something. So let's get started. So first of all, I will make the layer of this picture by clicking Ctrl J. Now I will select a color mixer brush tool. And now you can see the numbering here: 26, 75, 90 and 100. I will zoom it down, like click the layer on which I have to do something. Now clicking B to select the mixer brush tool. Now I will decrease the size and like softly painting over it. You will be seeing a great difference between before and after. I will show before and after in a moment. Now after here we will also do it here. You can see the skin texture is getting smooth and smooth. Now here. It's getting smoother and smoother. Now some here and here and here. Now as we zoom out, we can see a clear difference that there is no sign of acne, but I will hide the upper layer and see the difference between before and after, before and after, before and after. So this was today's tutorial. See you in the next video. Bye.